The ratio of Kimberly's mass to Jane's mass is 5:6. If Kimberly's mass is increased by 7 kg and Jane's mass is decreased by 1 kg, it will be of the same mass. What is Kimberly's mass? So you have Kimberly, you have Jane. Started off with 5 unit is to 6 unit. If Kimberly's mass increased, so you plus 7. And Jane's mass decreased by 1, so do you plus or minus? Decrease means less, right? Less means you minus, right? So minus 1. And they end up with the same mass. So if you look at this, you can convert it into a mathematical equation. So 5 unit plus 7, they will end up equals to 6 unit minus 1 because they end up to be the same mass. So now we just have to manipulate the equation such that all units are on one side and all the constants are on the other side. So I'll try to shift the units over to the right hand side. I'll shift the constant to the left hand side. So to shift things over, right? To shift 5 units over, since this is plus, when you shift over, it should be the opposite of it. The sign should be opposite. So you'll be minus. So right hand side will be 6 unit minus 5 unit. For the constant, since here is minus, so when you shift over, it should become plus. So it'll be 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 unit minus 5 unit is 1 unit. So now we understand that 1 unit is 8. And what was Kimberly's mass? Kimberly's mass was 5 unit. So we just have to find out what 5 unit is. 8 times 5 equals to 40. Answer is option 1. Then some of you guys might be wondering, later on, Kimberly also gained 7 kg, right? But this was a hypothetical scenario. It says if Kimberly's mass is increased by 7 kg. But Kimberly didn't increase by 7 kg. Her mass is actually just 5 units, which is equivalent to 40 kg. And hence answer is option 1. So this question might take some time for you to digest. So do feel free to repeat what I say or repeat this question's recording so that you can understand it better.